friends, welcome to this week's Make and Take. This week we are making these adorable tulips. They're origami tulips. I love them. They are very, very fun to make. I have some information for you, and that is that it does take a little bit of a learning curve to figure out how to make the tulips perfectly. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it. If you have a little kit available, there are all of these wonderful colors in your kit, so then you can decide how many tulips you would like to make. And there's a lot of extra green because these are going to be leaves and stems of our flowers. All right, so I brought in some extra colors because it does take a moment to kind of figure out how to make the tulip, and so I expect that you might have to make a couple before you really feel confident. But we're going to go ahead and get started here. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do with the tulip bud color, so the green is going to be the stem, so this will be the flower part. We're going to fold it in half in every direction. So half this way, open it up, half this way, open it up, and then half in diagonal, and half in diagonal the other way. All right, so this is what we currently have. What we're going to do is we're going to take our center pieces here, and we're going to push those toward the center and close this up. I know this seems a little strange. Oh, here's a great way to figure this out. These middle lines here, you're going to match it up with the bottom there, and match this one up with the bottom there, and when you fold that flat, you get this beautiful triangle. So it kind of looks like this. All right, so this is what we're going for. Okay, now what we're going to do, so when you have this at the top, you're going to fold these up like this. All right, so you fold it up there, fold it up here. We're gonna flip this over just by turning it to the left, flip this up to the top, and flip this up to the top, okay? All right, so that's what we're currently at. When you look at it from the top, you see the point here and then all of these open pieces here, like so, okay? All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of flip these two side pieces like this so they're touching, and we do the same thing to the other side, okay? So now in the center, there's no separation here, all right? Okay, hold on, I have to adjust this little guy right here, drive me crazy. Okay, all right, so this is what we look like. From the top, it kind of looks like this, okay? All right, now what we're going to do is we're gonna flip these, I'm gonna flip this down. Now, the one that you're pulling over, when you pull this over, it should be open like this, okay? So hopefully you'll see that. Now, when I flip this over, there's this kind of like a fold line in the middle here. I'm actually gonna go over that just a little bit. Go over that line. All right, flip that up. I'm gonna do the same thing from the other side. As I pull this over, again, this is open right here. I'm gonna go just slightly over that middle fold line again. Now, I'm gonna take one and I'm going to tuck it into the other, like this, okay? All right, so this is where we should currently be at. All right, see how that's tucked in there? Hopefully you guys can see. All right, I'm gonna use a little bit of white glue here to glue that in place. So I'm actually gonna pull that out. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right in here in this little, I'm gonna call this the mouth. Put this in this little mouth. Oh my goodness, my glue, seriously? Life said, oh, were you filming a video? Let me throw in a wrench here, no big deal. Oh, perfect opportunity. We're gonna use my new favorite glue. This is Nuvo glue. It's my favorite of all time. I love it. It's called the Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive. You don't need very much because it's a very strong paper-to-paper adhesive. It's also a type of PVA. All right, so I put some glue in the little mouth there, so to speak, and I'm gonna take this little guy and I'm gonna tuck that in and kind of press that in place. And you can actually put your finger up through here and kind of press those together. And that way it presses, but also is gonna kind of balloon out a little bit. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. All right, we're gonna flip this over to the other side and we're gonna do the exact same thing. So again, the piece that has the little mouth showing, we're gonna fold that over the middle, over that middle fold line, and then open that up. And again, we fold this from the other direction over that middle fold line. And then we wanna make sure that it's gonna tuck in, which I already know it's going to. So I'm going to put some glue here in the mouth of this one, in that little slot right there, this little line of glue. And I'm gonna tuck this other one into that again. All right, so we tuck that in. All right, I'm gonna press down. I'm gonna put my finger up through here again and then kind of press that in place. And again, that's gonna kind of balloon out a little bit. All right, so now that we've ballooned that side out, oh goodness, my glue. And then the other side, nice and dry, also is kind of ballooned out, okay? So this is really the shape we're kind of going for right now. All right, hopefully this all makes lots of sense to you. Okay, so now as we kind of balloon this out in all directions here, up here at the top are these little points, and we're actually going to kind of release those from the top of the flower. We're going to kind of pull these down. There should be 4 of them. 1, 2, this one here, 3, and 4. All right. Oh goodness, I'm gonna have to pull that apart just a little bit, but again, because we glued it, it should stay in place. All right, so now we have all 4 of those little pieces kind of splaying out at the top. All right, I'm gonna grab a little skewer, a little wooden skewer here, and I'm actually gonna use the skewer to kind of curl the ends down, like so. And then over here, same way, and here. Once you have all of those curled down, yes, looks amazing. We're gonna set that to the side, and then you can make however many more you would like. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the stem and the leaf, all right? So what we're going to do is we're gonna take our skewer again. We're gonna start on the corner, and we're just gonna roll this all the way up. I like to keep it tight around the skewer because then it will make the stem really nice and narrow and skinny, and it will look really great with our flower bud. So we're gonna roll this all the way up. When we get to the very end, we're just gonna use a little bit of white glue, and we're gonna stick that right there on the end, that little tab. I'm actually gonna pull the skewer out. That does not stay in there. Many people asked this week during the, while we had the make and take out, people were like, oh, the skewer stays, right? I'm like, actually it doesn't, but I'm glad that it's so sturdy that you think there's a skewer in there. That's kind of funny. All right, so we're gonna leave that like that. All right, and that's just gonna dry for a minute. Now we're going to take another piece of green, and we're going to cut it corner to corner in half. So we're just gonna go right here, corner to corner. And then I'm going to round this corner, the one in the middle. All right. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to kind of create a fun leaf shape. So I'm going to actually wrap it around the edge here of kind of like continuing the little curl around my flower stem. So you can kind of put your you can put your leaf however you would like, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to put some glue right in the middle like this, but only not even quite halfway. And then I'm going to start at kind of the middle of where the stem is going to be. So I think I want my flower up here, so I'm going to put my leaf right there in the middle. So I'm going to press that down, and now I'm going to put some glue on the left and right of that and kind of wrap it. But before I stick that in place, I'm actually going to take this guy and fold it back. And now I'm going to wrap the flower petal or the stem around the, oh my gosh, wrap the leaf around the stem. All right, pull that down a little bit. Okay. All right, now for this part here, I'm going to take my skewer again, making sure this is nice and dry. It is. And I'm going to take this little guy, and I'm just going to curl it on up all the way down as far as it will go. And there we have our cute little leaf.